What is up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Bill of Denver, Colorado. I switched to insurance company recently. I was told there would be an outside inspection need to be completed on my commercial property. The inspector harassed me via cell phone, via text messages, demanding to come inside of the property. After a back and forth, I asked him why he needed to come into the property when we were just told it was an outside inspection. He said he gets paid more money if we let him into the property. I was appalled at that response and contacted the insurance company to report this response and said he was very pushy. They apologized. Would you believe they sent the same exact guy out to do the inspection when they decided to cancel our policy because our current property has some staining on it? There was some debris in the parking lot. Keep in mind, his visit was just after a storm. Seems a little coincidental, maybe even spiteful. Don't even bother calling to get explanations. You will just waste your time. So, I don't even know. Sometimes these just baffle me, right? Like, come on, just be professional. If you're the adjuster or whoever's doing the inspection, and what my guess is it's a pre-underwriting inspection before they actually issue a policy or issue you the insurance, they want to verify, okay, what does this property look like? Is it safe for us as the insurance company to protect or insure this property? Because if it's a risk to us, do we want to do that? Smart insurance companies do that. Not all insurance companies do that, okay? So ultimately, the question then would be, do they want to insure your property? And if this guy's out there doing an inspection, man, come on. I'm not going to let you inside my property just because you make more money. Unless you need to be inside there. If it's just an exterior property inspection, then that's what you should do. So ultimately, again, it's one of those things. Just use your common sense and make sure you're safe, right, in this situation. You don't want somebody coming in your property that you may not know. I get that, right? So ultimately, this is the thing. Insurance companies have the right to inspect your property, but you have the right to know what they're actually doing and why, okay? But you have to comply within reason to their inspections and investigation, especially after a claim, okay? But if you're running up into a claim that they are not paying fairly or fully, so they're underpaying a claim, they love doing that, just right below the deductible amount. Your deductible is $2,500. Well, you only have $2,300 in damage, so we're not going to pay anything. If you run into something like that, just let us know. That's what we're here to help you with. If you have a legitimate claim for legitimate damage, for a covered cause of loss in your policy, then the insurance company should be paying you fully and fairly. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.